Hello friends, today we're making bacon brownies. You probably have these ingredients on hand, but if not, this is what you'll need. Or take a picture of the screen and let's get started. Place aluminum foil on a baking sheet, spray with oil, place the bacon in rolls and completely cover with brown sugar. Place in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. In a bowl, add the brownie mix, milk, egg, and chocolate syrup and mix thoroughly. Set aside. Remove the bacon from the oven and place on a plate for cooling. Once bacon has cooled, cut them into small pieces. Fold half of the bacon pieces into the batter and mix again. Pour the mixture into an oiled baking dish, making sure that it is evenly distributed on the dish. Place in the oven for 30 minutes or until fork is clear. When the brownies are ready, place the remaining bacon all over the top and let it completely cool before serving. I made these yummy treats for a very special young lady. Happy birthday, Haley.
Right?
Yeah, that's really, really good. Oh my goodness. Was that bacon?
I made a bacon.